Assalamu alaikum children, how are you?
I am fine, alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Today we are going to read a story about astronauts. And Abdul Rahman Zishan will read the story to you, okay?
Yes.
And after that, I will ask some questions. Okay? Okay, now let's start the story.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdurrahman Shan. I read in class 4. Today's topic is astronauts. An astronaut is a person who goes into outer space. It is not an easy job as astronauts need to go under intense training for years to become one. Astronauts need to be physically fit while also maintaining great health. The first ever person to go into space was a Russian man named Yuri Gagarin in 1961. The first and second people to walk on the moon were Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin from America in 1969. Astronauts have special gear that they use for their space explorations. It is called a space suit. They must always wear the space suit when they leave their spacecraft, as space does not contain any oxygen, which we need to breathe and live. The space suit provides the astronauts with air and are tethered to the spacecraft so that the astronaut doesn't float away from the spacecraft. Astronauts perform many tasks when in space. In the space station, they perform world-class science and research that only a microgravity environment can provide. Most of the time, astronauts spend their days working on science experiments.
Okay children, you have heard who the astronauts are and what they do in space.
Yes.
Right? Now you have to write answers to the questions on that questionnaire that has been given to you, right?
Yes.
And you will tell the answers one by one, okay?
Yes.
And questions will be asked from you, right?
Yes.
So you will have to answer one by one. And now I am giving you 10 minutes to complete your questionnaire, right?
Yes.
Then we will be going to ask the questions, right?
Yes.
So start working. Time is up. Okay children, have you completed your task?
Yes.
That's good. So have you written your answers?
Yes.
Now should I ask the questions?
Yes.
Okay, I will ask the question
Yes.
and you will have to answer one by one. Okay, just raise your hand, okay? What is an astronaut? Yes, Abdul Rahman, you tell me.
An astronaut is a person who goes into outer space.
Very nice, Abdul Rahman. Sit down. Very nice. And the next question is, who was the first astronaut? You tell me, Damaneli.
Yuri Gagarin was the first astronaut.
Yes, Yuri Gagarin was the first astronaut. Very good, Damaneli. Sit down. Very nice. And what do astronauts need to be to have the job? You tell me, Sunana.
Astronauts need to be physically fit while also maintaining great health.
Very nice, Sunana. Very nice. Very nice. Sit down. Okay, so the next question is, what an astronaut's special gear? You tell me.
Astronauts have special gear that they use for space exploration.
Very nice, Abdul Rahman Zishan. Sit down. Okay, very nice. And what happens if they take it off? You tell me.
They would not survive.
Yes, they would not survive. Very nice. Okay, the next question is, what do astronauts do in space? You tell me, Sunana.
In space station, they perform world-class science and research that only a microgravity environment can provide.
Very nice. Well done. Sit down. Very nice. So clap to banta hai bhai. Very nice for all of you. you have learned about an astronaut. You know what is an astronaut, what they do in the space, how do they live in space. Everything is clear?
Yes.
So, can you please tell me what do you want to become in future? What do you want to become in future?
I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor? That's great, inshallah. Sit down. And yes, you tell me, what do you want to become?
I want to become an astronaut.
Really? You want to become an astronaut? Then you will have to work hard. Right? Sit down. And what do you want to become?
I want to become engineer.
You want to become an engineer? Okay, now you tell me, Farman, what do you want to become in future?
I want to become a vlogger.
You want to become a vlogger?
Yes.
Vlogger? Okay, that's good. And what do you want to become in future?
I want to become a doctor.
Really? You want to become a doctor?
Yes.
That's great. And what do you want?
I want to become an engineer.
You want to become an engineer?
Yes.
That's great. What do you want?
to become a SHO.
You want to become an SHO? Oh, policeman. Wow. And Daniel, what do you want to become?
want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor? And yes, Abdul Rahman.
become an army officer.
You want to become an army officer? Great, भाई इतने बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पर माशाल्लाह. Okay, Murtajiz, you tell me, what do you want to become in future?
I want to become a commissioner.
You want to become a commissioner?
Yes.
Inshallah ta'ala. Then you will have to work hard. Okay? Study is very important to become a commissioner. All of you know. Yes. So if you want to become in future something, you have to work hard. You have to study regularly. Every day you have to study. You have to learn so many things. A lot of things. Okay?
Yes.
So inshallah ta'ala we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.
Bye bye.
Ma'am,